That's a hat. Is that smooth? Smooth, yeah. Let's see what else we have. Ah, rough. Here's rough. That's a rough sock. That's a rough sock. Brother's sock. Rough. Rough. Let's see. See what else we have. Here we got a gym sock. Is that smooth? Smooth? Yeah. You're silly. How about a nice soft t-shirt? How's that feel? Is that soft? What do you see? Yeah. Oh, you see the kitty cat? Come here, Zenny. Hi, pretty. You see Zen? Oh, you like kitty cat. You like animals.